I'm doing an Amazon product review of this lipstick. DNM lipstick 24-hour hold and lip liner. I got the 6-piece set and I'm gonna try it on. I've been needing some lipstick that stays on all day, so I'm gonna give it a try. Open it with me. Randomly choose a color. Ooh, they come like this. Nice set. They don't show the colors on it. I know what colors I picked though. Number 10. Okay, that's the lipstick. And this is the lip liner. Lipstick and lip liner. Let's see what it do. Not a very dark color that I chose randomly, but let's see. Ooh, it matches perfectly. If I was going for a nude look, I will be right on it, huh? Right on it. Nude look, right on it. Let's try another color though. One is, so all these colors is pretty. Pretty. But it says this is the number 13, so be able to look up the color. But I'm gonna skip the liner for now. Let's see the color. Oh, rubs on smooth. Oh, pigmented nicely. I like how smooth it rubs on. This is with no liner, so before I mess up my lips, huh? I better stop. But it's like staying put. It's like when I roll over it, it stands just, it goes where it's supposed to go. You know? I like that. It goes where it's supposed to go. That's what's up. That's what's up. I like this product. Don't feel tacky. It feels like it's gonna dry, and I have no lipstick on, so that's probably the secret. I have lipstick on, but it feels like I don't, but I do. I like it. I like it. Thank you for watching.